The word we are learning today is 活力, vitality. The character 活 means to live or alive. It represents the concept of being active, living or having vitality. The character 力 means strength or power. It denotes the idea of physical or mental force. Together, 活力 refers to the state of being full of life, vigor, and enthusiasm. For example, 她每天都活力满满. She is full of vitality every day. 她的加入给团队注入了新的活力. His joining has injected new vitality into the team. 活力 can be a precursor to or a contributing factor in finding solutions to various challenges. Take China-US relations as an instance. 中美关系活力在地方. The vitality of China-US relations lies in subnational areas. Recently, California Governor Gavin Newsom's visit to China attracted a great deal of attention. One of his notable stops was Shenzhen, South China's Guangdong province, where he toured an electric bus depot to see the city's successful electric vehicle transition. High on the agenda of Newsom's visit was climate change, a global concern. And Shenzhen is the first city in the world to transition to an all-electric bus fleet, with about 16,000 buses as well as 22,000 taxis. California can learn a lot from China, Newsom said. Divorce is not an option for China and the US, Newsom added. That's so true. California has rich experiences and technological advantages in renewable energy and technological innovation, while Guangdong has extensive practical experiences in these fields as well as accumulative capacities in manufacturing and services. In the fields of promoting green development and addressing climate change, the two regions enjoy great potential for cooperation. And cooperation and exchanges at the subnational level will further inject new vitality into the relations between the two countries. 活力 vitality 你学会了吗？